Guys, it's Eric RPG, and last time I left off I beat level 1, now we're going to the orbital hideout. Enemy has started work on producing a massive mobile weapon. We're excavating ore on the surface of the moon, and then firing into orbit where it was refined by a satellite. After destroying the giant warship, we went to destroy the orbital ore refinery, which was surrounded by asteroids. So, space adventure time. All units launch. Don't crash into any asteroids. Our entry route will be through the rear nav area, but be on the lookout for small asteroids and avoid them. Easier said than done, because I still have to play a pacifist run of this level. I am going to use the napalm, but on the boss, just so I can deal with him, since I'm still going to be using underpowered weapons. And I'm going to be on relatively low health by the time I get there. So it's a way to prevent me from dying. Just avoid the bullet shots as best you can. Or the asteroids. The asteroids mostly, because they'll hurt a lot more. Whoa. I might actually do better here. Of course I say that now. Whoa. This is where I start failing. Oh, I actually did better here. Surprisingly. Yeah, I'm gonna save state here, just for the hell of it. Cutting off boosters. Roger, proceed with caution. So basically we just want to avoid fire here. I'm getting rid of proximity mines on the surface of the rock. Understood, I'll be careful. Just gotta avoid fire for a while. Just for a refinery, there are way too many enemies in here. Got that right. I've destroyed. Jake, your shield is critical. What? I missed that dialogue. Probably gonna die here. This is Kurt. I'm almost done here. Roger. You're the last one, Jake. Copy that. I've got to save state further on. This place is as good as destroyed. Huh? What's that? Is something wrong? I'm getting an energy reading from front of that rock formation. It's pretty freaking huge. We've picked it up here too. I have a bad feeling about this. Go check it out. So basically I want to select the napalm and just kill this thing with fire. Of course, if I get hit, that doesn't matter. I've got a save state further ahead. I have less health, but it should get me through here. So yeah, I'm just gonna charge ahead. Yeah, I made one. Yeah. I think I need to hit him 3 times. That's the problem. See, my strategy is just to go in running. Yeah, there we go. So I basically spammed napalm. Destroy the enemy mobile weapon. Good job, mission complete. Return to the base. And that'll be it for this episode.